Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out some of our fantastic products, one of which I have just inside of this box, and it's one of our made-to-order rings that we like to call the Billionaire. So we'll get right into it. Inside of our boxes here, we've got Manly Bands letting you know where it came from, and inside a card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside we've got some customer service information, a compliment because you deserve it, and some information on social media. So check that out. Take a picture of your band, tag us. We'd love to see the ring on you, and just you in general. I bet you're a beautiful person. Inside, there we have it, the Billionaire. Now this is a beautiful ring that is handcrafted 14 karat solid rose gold with a 3mm desert ironwood inlay. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like the best hybrid golf club that could ever be, but I assure you, it is not. It is a hardwood found only in the Sonoran Desert of Mexico, California, and Arizona. Very durable, very beautiful. The ring also has a flat finish with a kind of a sandstone texture to it. So it's really beautiful. And just because you're a billionaire and a baller, we'd like to give you options. So you can wear the ring, you can wear the band gold side down or gold side up, or if you prefer, wood side up. You could say that way too. I'm sure there's a joke in there about upright wood, but I don't have any. Inside also we have our black silicone band, so if you're not wanting to get that sandstone finish scuffed up any more than it beautifully is on purpose, so nice, then that band is a great option. Inside we also have some promotional materials with people that we like to partner with that bring us great products and bring you great products. So thanks for checking out The Billionaire on manlybands.com.